Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging on my GoPro. I'm actually trying it out for the first time vlogging, so if it looks bad, I'm sorry. I'm still testing everything. So I'm actually going shopping today with my sister because Cole and I are going on a date tomorrow and I wanted to get a new sweater. I was gonna wear a dress, but it's kind of cold, so I'm gonna wear some jeans and a boot. I'm gonna wear jeans and okay, anyway. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad right now. But I'm gonna wear some jeans and some boots. So
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna leave now. So we're just gonna go shopping so I can find another sweater. So we can find a sweater so I can wear it for the date. We're going out to eat and a movie, so I'm really excited about that. So I figured I would take you guys along with me and just test out my new GoPro and see how it goes. And yeah, so let's get going. Okay guys, so we got something, but it's not for me, it's for Molly. So she didn't want me to show you guys, so we're not gonna show you guys. I don't know why, but she doesn't want you guys to see it. But now we're heading to Marshall. Now we're heading to Marshall's because I didn't find anything, so we're hopefully gonna find something here so I don't have to go to the mall, because I really don't want to go to the mall. So what are you running away from me?
No, there was a bee.
Oh.
Or what? No, it wasn't a bee. Yeah, there was a bee.
Okay guys, so we went to Marshall's. I didn't film in there because I always feel awkward filming in there because there's like so many people, or like it's just like really quiet. I'm just not living for it. Watch out, there, I think there's a car coming. And I didn't find anything there either. I was really disappointed in what they had in their selection. So we're gonna try Target because I want to avoid going to the mall at all costs because I don't want to go. But I did get something and I'll show you what I got in the car, but I have to get my keys out, so I guess I should stop filming. Okay guys, so I have to refilm this clip because I realized it looks so bad. I'm still getting used to this GoPro thing and the sun is finally away, so I'm gonna like film it real quick before the sun's like, oh, you know what I mean? So I did get something at Marshall's. I wanted to show you guys. So I don't know about you, but my beauty blender looks like someone shit on it. It looks so bad and it's really, really dirty. So your girl needed a new one and I was gonna go to Ulta, but while I was at Marshall's, I was like, let me see what they have. And for $7.99, right? Yeah. I got 10 beauty blenders and that's like 2 at Ulta. So I thought I got a steal and I'm so excited because now I'm not gonna have to buy a beauty blender for like, I don't know, 2 years. I don't know how long you're supposed to use your beauty blender for. I've been using mine for over a year now and that's really gross, but like we're not gonna talk about it. But yeah, so if you're looking for a new beauty blender, I highly suggest going to Marshall's. It is so inexpensive and it's awesome and it helps you save money when you're broke like me. So yeah. Didn't find anything there to wear on our date tomorrow, so I'm kind of like upset. So we're gonna head to Target. I think I already said that. But we're gonna head there now and we'll see what they have there. They have bathing suits and we're going on a cruise soon. Oh my god. They have so many options. I'm kind of living for it. Cute ones? Some. That one's really cute. There's too many people around. I'm feeling really awkward. Oh my god, they actually have some really cute bathing suits. But we are here for a sweater Hannah. Don't get distracted by all the bathing suits. Okay. So we want a cute sweater. That's a sweater. Ugly sweater. Shorts. Hoodies. Not living for any of it so far. Guys, so I'm kind of living for this. The only thing is I'm scared I would sweat in the movies. So I don't know if we're gonna get that one. I can put it back. Oh, that one feels awful. Molly, this one feels good. There's someone here. I feel awkward vlogging in public, guys. Okay, I'm not. There's some cute stuff, but some of them don't even feel comfortable. Like, not even worth trying. So, this is so cute. Let's avocado fries before guys. I wonder what this tastes like. Honestly, I'm kind of.
Marshmallow.
Oh yeah, it's like a marshmallow. They have chocolate roses. Hint, hint, cold. Just kidding. I don't like solid chocolate. Oh my gosh, we have all these fun candy. Living for it. Ew. Raspberry and cream. Oh my god, that's actually disgusting.
I know what you should do for a video.
What?
Try
Oh,
different
maybe.
Kit Kat flavors.
Yeah, I could. I tried the mint chocolate. I tried the mint chocolate chip. Wait, I'm saying this right. Wrong. Mint chocolate chip. Molly, is it sideways?
What? No.
Okay, cause my thing's sideways.
Oh wait, it smells like the bubble gum, like when you like the.
Oh, I smell it. Anyway,
Wait,
I tried the mint chocolate chip Kit Kat, and it was really, really good. I kind of was living for it, but I don't know if I would drink it again, eat it again. Oh my god, I can buy alcohol.
Nah.
Let's go look at the alcohol section. See? Okay guys, so we just got out of Target and we didn't have any luck at all till the very end. I didn't see anything I wanted or anything I liked, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh my gosh, we forgot to look in this section. So we looked and we found something. So I'm gonna show you in the car. We're back in the car, got something at Target, and I was having trouble. I didn't know what color I wanted. They had many, many options on what I could get. And I honestly didn't know what kind of look I was going for. I kind of just wanted a sweater. I just wanted a freaking sweater. And it's really hard to find a freaking sweater. So I found one. It is gray. I figured gray would be kind of cute. It's like a light gray, so that's even cuter. I don't even know if you could see this, honestly, because I don't know how this GoPro looks. But it's tied like this, and it looks like this. And it's really, really cute. Kind of living for it. It's long sleeve. And when we're in the movie, if I'm like hot, then I'll just like bunch up my sleeves, you know what I mean? But yeah, I honestly kind of got it just because I didn't have anything else to get. And it's cute, and I can wear it with like leggings or something, even like when I'm not going on a date. But yeah, so now we're gonna head to Panera Bread if they have everything bagels. If not, it's not even worth it. But we're gonna go see if they have everything bagels there, and then after that, we'll probably just head home. Okay guys, so we came to Panera Bread for dinner because we don't want what my mom's making. No offense, Mom, we just don't want meatloaf right now. So I got the 0 calorie drink. I forget what kind it is. She got Dr. Pepper, and we got bagels, a pumpkin muffy, and I accidentally paid for 2 cream cheeses each, and I didn't know, and that's why it was so expensive. And I didn't know that, and the lighting's really bad, so please forgive me, but I didn't know that. But we're gonna eat, and then I'll get back to you guys. So we finally made it home. We were out for about 3.5 hours. Obviously it doesn't feel that way on camera, but when we were in Target, I did want to say they had a lot of clearance items on makeup. So if you're a girl or a guy that's very into makeup, definitely go check out your local Target. I don't know if it's all Targets that are doing it, but my Target had almost half of all of their makeup on clearance. I personally didn't get anything because I didn't see anything that I particularly wanted there at all. So I didn't obviously purchase anything. But I would definitely go check out Target and see what kind of makeup goodies they have on sale for you guys. And so yeah, I am so happy with testing out my GoPro. I looked over the footage and I'm really, really happy with how all of the footage turned out. I'm really, really excited. So it makes me so excited to vlog in the future because it literally made me feel so comfortable with vlogging. And I honestly, wish I felt as comfortable with my G7X, but I honestly feel like my GoPro is going to be what I vlog on, just because I didn't feel as awkward in public because it is so tiny. The only thing that does make me a little uncomfortable is when I turn it on and off, it does make like a beeping sound. I have to figure out if there's a way I can turn that off or not. But yeah, I feel so comfortable vlogging in public now, so I might be doing it a lot more, and it makes me really, really happy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I have cruise vlogs coming because I'll be going on my cruise soon, and you guys should definitely stick around for that. And yeah, so I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!